Well, hello everybody. Today I've got a little home organization or reorganization project. So let's get this box opened up and see if I can clean up a little unsightly uh, mess. Oh, and please be sure to subscribe. Trying to get those subscriber numbers built up. Thank you very much. So this is the Wallmaster 24-inch folding shelf bracket. Garage heavy-duty steel max load 500-pound floating wall mounting collapsible shelf bracket, space saving bracket. Okay, so um, it looks like it's pretty well made, and it certainly looks like to me, if you get it mounted on the wall correctly, that it would hold 500 pounds. It comes with the screws. It doesn't have the little nylon inserts that you need to mount. I'm going to mount this on a brick wall. I'll get to that in a moment. But first, let's just have a look at it. You can see it's steel, and it looks like it's pretty heavy duty steel. It's got a little quick release on it in the handle. So when you're not using it, it would fold down against the wall. I personally am going to have this up all the time because I'm going to put some ladders on it, and I've just got a lot of ladders. That's the little trigger mechanism right there. So you just pull that little lever, and that releases or push it, and that releases the bracket. So there's two of them in the kit. Looks good. Paint is good. So I'm going to have them outside. So here we go. The fun stuff, drilling. So to drill into bricks, you need a hammer drill, okay? Write that down, hammer drill. And you also need masonry bits. And once you've got that, it's just easy peasy to put these screws in. So that's just a tip there. Just a few little screws. I think I put 4 screws in each of these. And then here you go. Now I've got them installed, so you can see they fold up, a latch, little quick adjustment to make sure they're tight, and release, folds down. So you could use them just occasionally if you wanted, and they don't take up a lot of space. But I'm going to put ladders on them and just and leave those ladders outdoors. This is under the eave of the house, so they should kind of protect the ladders from the water a little bit. Yeah, so I don't have room in my garage for these big ladders. I don't know how many is this, 12? It's like a 12 feet extension ladder. You can see it's got it on there. Looks great. Got it up off the ground, which I just had it leaning against that wall for the longest time. Oh, little garden break. Look at these beauties, little eggplants. So now I've got the ladder crew piled up on there. And actually, I've got a couple more ladders. You don't wear ladders out. So there you go. I think that's going to work fine for me. And it gets them up off the grass for the weed eater and all. So anyway, take care, everybody. Be sure to like and subscribe.